Jai Shri Krishna. Bhagavad Gita, chapter 9, verse 30. That is Gita, chapter 9, sloka 30 says, Api chesu duracharo bhajate mam ananyavak sadhureva samantavyaha samyak vyavasito hi saha. Meaning, anyone who does durachara and surrenders to Krishna with sincere repentance. So Krishna says he will be protected. I will protect him. So all of us are eligible for Shaktipat Diksha. On 19th February 2021, that is on the day of Ratha Saptami, I introduced a new concept to the whole world, gifting good physical and mental health blended with fast track spiritual progress. This concept is blessed to me by Lord Shri Krishna since so many years. So many years back, he blessed me with this special Vidya called Shaktipat Diksha. And on his orders, I am bestowing the same blessings to one and all, irrespective of wherever one lives, whether it is he or she, whether he belongs to Hindu religion or Christianity or Islam, anything, it doesn't matter. Without any barriers of caste, creed, religion or gender. So Krishna is ready to bless everyone in the world, wherever he lives, in any nook and corner of the world. He or she will get the blessings of Shaktipat through Lord Sri Krishna and YSK Guruji. Myself, Yogeshwar Sri Krishna Guruji. With the blessings of both Gurus, one can get the blessings of Shaktipat Diksha by just sitting for 15 minutes with a straight back and closed eyes, either facing north or east or whichever direction one chooses. It is a scientific technique, so I don't have barriers of directions. Those who believe in it, they can follow. So, just by sitting 15 minutes in the zero thought condition or Shraddha and Bhakti, anyone can get Shaktipat Diksha. So don't worry too much about the word zero thought condition. It's just enough if you sit for 15 minutes, enough. With Shraddha and Bhakti about Lord Sri Krishna and YSK Guruji, you will be blessed with Shaktipat Diksha. And many people are asking whether we have been blessed with Shaktipat Diksha or not. How do we know it? We didn't get any sensation in the hands, as you have explained in the previous videos, episode number 410 and 411. Many people are asking it. So I just want to clarify this through this video. Even if you don't get any sensation like heaviness of hands, magnetic pull of the hands, or water flowing, just like a sensation of water flowing through your palms, the heat, the warmth sensation, anything is possible. Pricking sensation, pin pricking sensation in the hands. These are all general sensations people get. Those who are not spiritually sensitive or not so devotional may not get such sensations immediately. So it doesn't mean that you are not given Shaktipat. No, it's not like anyone who sincerely sits praying Lord Sri Krishna and YSK Guruji with Shraddha and Bhakti, they will get it. Everyone who has done this practice, they will get it. They have been blessed with Shaktipat Diksha. There is no doubt in it. So regarding your sensations in the hands, I give you a test for yourself. You can test yourself whether you have been blessed with Shaktipat or not. You can confirm yourself. You need not ask anybody. You need not phone me up also and confirm. So some people from Dubai, they have tried more than 10 times to get Shaktipat Diksha on different days. There is no need to it. there is no need for getting Shaktipat Diksha by sitting for 15 minutes on so many days. One sit is enough. One sitting for 15 minutes with folded praying hands, or folded hands, or with erect spine and closing the eyes. That's enough. Just sit just for 15 minutes and you will get it. You will be blessed with Shaktipat Diksha. Depending upon your past life karmas and the intensity of the past karmas, you may not get the Shaktipat initiation feeling immediately, but everyone will be blessed with it. Don't worry. It's a promise on Lord Sri Krishna that everyone will get it. Okay. So I give a test how to check yourself whether you have been blessed with Shaktipat Diksha or not. Just pray to Lord Sri Krishna and YSK Guruji. You know the activation process. Sitting for 2 minutes, praying, visualizing Lord Sri Krishna to the right side, and visualizing YSK Guruji to your left side. So prostrating both of them, seeking their blessings, and chanting the mantra Om Namo Yogeshwaraya or Om Namo Vishwarupaya 11 times, and doing namaskaram separately for both YSK Guruji and Lord Sri Krishna. This is the procedure. This is the activation technique. Okay, and after doing this, you just make a simple prayer to Lord Sri Krishna that let the cosmic energy of Lord Sri Krishna flow through my right palm and heal my Manipura chakra, which is just 2 inches above the navel of the Pranamaya Kosha, and heal all the defects. And in the left palm, you request the continuous flow of cosmic energy of Lord Sri Krishna and heal your Manipura chakra or solar plexus chakra of the Manomaya Kosha, and heal all the defects. So in the left palm, it is Manomaya Kosha, Manipura chakra or solar plexus, and in the right palm, it is Pranamaya Kosha, Manipura chakra. You just observe, and you can test this for one day or 8 to 10 hours, maximum 1 week. The cosmic energy keeps on flowing through your body all the 24 hours. You need not doubt about that. Even if you are sleeping, it works. Okay, once it is just like giving keying alarm watch. It works for 24 hours. Once you key in, once you set the alarm, it works. Is it not? Like that. Alarm clock, how it works. In the same way, this technique also works. Once in 24 hours, you have to recharge, that's all, by doing this prarthana. So, in the meanwhile, keep on observing your left palm and right palm, closing your eyes. I said it is conscious healing for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm making so many sessions daily. And your Manipura chakra will receive cosmic energy, and your stomach will not tell any lies. It will tell you, it will show you a signal that your appetite is increasing. You feel more hunger than usual. Within 1 week, 1 or 2 days, or maximum 1 week, you will start feeling the increase in appetite. You notice, you just check up how much food that you take every day. And after healing through Shaktipat for Manipura chakra, both Pranamaya Kosha and Manomaya Kosha, you will notice the increase in appetite, increase in hunger. That is the indication. You not ask anybody for clarification of Shaktipat Diksha. So this itself proves the increase in hunger while giving Shaktipat healing to Pranamaya Kosha, Manipura chakra, and Manomaya Kosha, Manipura chakra to the left palm and the right palm respectively. It indicates that they have been blessed with Shaktipat Diksha. Krishna doesn't show any partiality. He blesses everybody who is ready to accept him as a Guru and Deva. And so also you should have respect for both YSK Guruji and Lord Sri Krishna. That is the minimum condition laid down for blessing Shaktipat Diksha to everyone. So we don't have any partiality. Both Sri Krishna and myself do not do any partiality. We bless everybody, whoever asks for it. And with Shaktipat Diksha, we can not only maintain good physical health and mental health, you can also get fast track spiritual progress by healing Anahata chakra of Anandamaya Kosha and Adna Chakra of Anandamaya Kosha and Sahasrara Chakra of Anandamaya Kosha. It's all there. I'll give you detailed instructions in the future videos. Okay, you can notice that and just follow. For the present, in this video, I'm just clarifying whether everybody has got Shaktipat Diksha or not. That doubt is being cleared in this video. So just follow the technique what I have given and observe. Within a week you will get it. You can heal others also. You can heal Manipura Chakra of Pranamaya Kosha in right palm and Manipura Chakra of Manomaya Kosha through the left palm of others also, and check up your family members or friends or relatives. Anybody who is close to you, you can check up with them also. You can check up with this with yourself also. Both tests are possible. That confirms you have been blessed with Shaktipat Diksha by Lord Shri Krishna and YSK Guruji. Okay, so Krishna Anugraha Praptirastu, Ayura Arogya Aishwarya Abhiruddhirastu, Lakshmi Narayana Kripa Kataksha Praptirastu, Manasa Visidhirastu, Dirghayushman Bhava, Dirghayushmati Bhava, Dirgha Sumangli Bhava. All the best to you. So follow the technique. Be blessed by the gracious cosmic energy of Lord Shri Krishna and YSK Guruji. All the best to you. Jai Shri Krishna.